Hey everyone, did you know you can create 1,000 YouTube shorts in just 17 minutes? Sounds crazy, right? Well, it's possible with the power of AI. Let's dive into how you can supercharge your content creation process using Canva and ChatGPT. First up, Canva is a game changer for quick and easy visual creation. With its user-friendly interface, you can whip up eye-catching graphics in no time. Drag and drop elements, choose from thousands of templates, and voila, your visual content is ready. Now, 来说说 ChatGPT. This AI tool is a content generator extraordinaire. It can pump out engaging text content in seconds. Just feed it a prompt, and it'll spin out a script that's tailor-made for your YouTube shorts. Want to combine these two powerhouses? Here's your step-by-step guide. First, start with a concept for your short. Then, use ChatGPT to generate the script. After that, head over to Canva to create visuals that match your script. Finally, put it all together in YouTube Shorts. But wait, there's more. To make sure your shorts are seen by as many people as possible, you need to optimize them for engagement and reach. This means using the right hashtags, captions, and even timing your posts for maximum visibility. Now let's look at a real-life case study. This beauty brand created a series of AI-generated shorts and saw their engagement skyrocket. Not only did they save time, but they also managed to reach new audiences. Of course, when using AI in content creation, there are ethical considerations and best practices to keep in mind. Always prioritize authenticity and be transparent about the use of AI. After all, your audience values genuine connections. And if you're looking to scale your social media presence even further, you might want to check out Media Mister. They offer growth services that can complement your AI-driven content strategy, helping you reach new heights. So, what are you waiting for? Start leveraging AI today to take your YouTube shorts to the next level.